Oh, the video started. Hey everyone. So, I got a really cute fun little tip. I think I already said hello in that video too, so I'm going to say hey. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, so, stick around. Hello, welcome to my channel. And this is Breeze Angels Creations. This is Amy for all of you new. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. Alright, so, I want to do a little quick tip because see that? My shirt got ripped. But it's not a fail. It's not a loss. I don't have to trash it. So if something happens like this to you with a shirt that has these cute little holes through it, this is how I figured out I'm going to fix it. I'm going to take and go from the same side on the opposite side and just pull them apart to make them kind of look the same, and hopefully it works. So let's see if it happens. I'm just going to rip. Right, here's one. Well, they're not exactly the same size, but I will probably get it. Here, let me just pull a little bit more. Alright, so as you see, you get the hint, right? Just try to make them look the same as much as you can, and no one will even realize you have a tear. Alright, so I think I almost got the big one. I guess it looks alright, right? So it doesn't look like one side's all screwed up, it's both sides. So this side is almost matching this side. Almost. Alright, so don't throw out your shirts. Try to save them. All else feels right. Money savers, especially for people like me. When you don't have much, you learn how to make things work. Have a great day. So what did I tell you? Interesting, right? Obviously the holes, they didn't come out exactly the same, but as you noticed in the video when I started, you could tell that one side had a hole and not exactly the same, but after, they didn't really. If you probably don't look, you're probably not going to notice. So when all else fails, don't throw away a shirt, especially when it's a nice one. See if you can fix it. Anything like that with that like fishnet style, super easy to fix because you can just tear it a little and you won't have to worry about hurting anything else. So that was a fun little tip that I came up with and wanted to share with you. Have a great day.